Juice Bar channel, as I say. In a couple of weeks ahead, before we are doing a few salad to put on this Juice Bar channel, you know what I mean, because it is summer and you know what I mean, we're doing juice, we're doing salad, so we have to keep the fans them happy. Alright, anyway, simple one today. First of all, I got a big bowl right here. I have this salad which I make earlier. This video will be on my YouTube channel. Not only that, it's a weight loss salad. You got garlic, you got spring onion, you got red onion, and also olive oil, chili pepper, black pepper, mixed up together with cucumber and tomato. This video is on my YouTube channel. That's Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Go on it, watch it. Very fantastic recipe. Anyway, first thing I'm gonna say to you, I'm gonna make you a salad today. But all I'm going to be doing this salad is I'm gonna take it to another way, and it's gonna be simple and perfect for you guys. So first thing what you wanna have is some olive and some feta cheese and some sun-dried tomato, and I'm gonna pop it straight inside of this bowl right here, just like this. That's it right here, guys. Lovely and fantastic. All right, so next thing, I'm gonna be removing a little bit of my tomato and also this is a salad which I just made. But before I do that, I have just a little piece of more red onion which I want to cut up to put inside of this feta and red onion and cheese and sun-dried tomato. That's gonna pop that straight in it. And also what we're gonna do is just pop a little bit of this inside of it, just like this. That's gonna remove a little bit because I'm gonna be making two salad today. All right, so if you mix it up with that, with the olive and the sun-dried tomato and the feta cheese, a nice lovely, it's gonna look like a Greek salad. Yeah, and that's all that's gonna be coming out. It's gonna be looking lovely. All right, then let's get my bowl. God, this salad is gonna be a simple salad. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do is put this straight inside of this bowl right here, just like this, and just like this, guys, because you know what happened, this one I'm gonna bring it to my work, which I'm gonna have for my lunch today. All right, so that's come out lovely and nice. So basically, you don't need to stress yourself. This is not all about work. This is not a, you know what I mean, this is not a rocket science. Very easy and simple. I have a little bit of my tomato and cucumber salad left back. This one I just add some feta cheese and a little bit more red onion to it. Come out lovely, tastable, nice, and I want you guys to enjoy this one. Remember, you can click on Chef Ricardo Cooking Show to view this recipe and see how I make it. This one is just a very tips and ideas, guys. It's amazing. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming, and you know Chef Ricardo always have ideas and tips to share with you guys. This is a Juice Bar channel, but we are doing some salad recipe for the summer. Alright, so please enjoy it, subscribe, leave your comments in the description box, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And you know what happened? I love you all. See you next time. Bye bye. To be in the kitchen and also giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, I got some healthy weight loss salad which I've been making over the last couple of days, put on my Juice Bar channel and also on my cooking show. Basically, I have this one which I just made. This one is some feta cheese with some feta cheese, red sun-dried tomato, and olive, black olive, green olive, tomato, red onion, and some garlic. It's a nice, lovely, fresh, nice salad, guys. Fantastic. This one is on my Juice Bar channel. You can go to Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel and you can get this recipe and you can watch it and see how I made it. All right, this is some of my leftover tomato and cucumber salad and red onion, garlic, olive oil, chili pepper, and some black pepper. This is on Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. You can go and see how I make this one, guys. All of my recipes there. These are some healthy recipes I've been starting to share on my other channel, but on the salad bar channel I will be coming with some more recipe, but because of certain aspect why I'm not sharing so many recipe on that one, because you know what I mean, it cost me a lot. So basically I need to put it somewhere else where my fans can get to watch it, and you know what I mean, something can be coming. Alright, but if you want to sponsor Chef Ricardo, remember to go to my Chef Ricardo cooking show, because honestly guys, it's costing, and I mean ingredients, everything, and we have to cook every day to make the fans happy. So you can go and sponsor Chef Ricardo on my cooking show. That's we can be able to make it works for everybody. Alright, I want to say I love every one of you guys. Thank you so much for watching my show, and also thank you for the subscribing, thank you for liking my comments, and also, you know what I mean, everything. I want to say everything is just great, and I love you all. And I'll say we have some proper recipe gonna come, guys. Fantastic recipe. Alright, thank you so much for watching. So please, the link always on my description box. Click on the link, take you straight where you can get to watch this video and these salad which I've been making. Alright, I will see you next time with your best recipes.